Basic English with Miss Princess. Hello children, today we will learn about app family words. App, 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 app. Are you ready, kids? Let's start reading. App family words. App, cap, app, cap, C-A-P, cap. G, app, gap, G, app, gap, G-A-P, gap. Ooh, app, lap, ooh, app, lap, L-A-P, lap. App, map, app, map, M-A-P, map. App, nap, app, nap, N-A-P, nap. App, wrap, app, wrap, R-A-P, wrap. App, sap, app, sap, S-A-P, sap. App, tap, app, tap, T-A-P, tap. Now, let's read them all together. Cap, gap, lap, map, nap, wrap, sap, tap. Now, it's your turn, children. Read the following words as fast as you can. In 5, 4, 3, 2,